Hello and welcome. This is the first Avoid the Shadows devlog that I decided to put together here. I want to start showing off a little bit more of the game as we finish, little pieces here and there. So what you're seeing here is a work in progress, obviously. It is part of the first scene where we have the two main characters. There would be basically a dialogue. So obviously, they would be sitting in the car at this point. So what you're seeing now is, um, you know, lacking characters. But what you can see is basically like this infinite road, and you can see here that we've got emitters set up for the trees, the vegetation, the rocks. Um, we've got these mountain terrains that are kind of like rotating to give kind of the illusion of movement. Um, and each of these little road sections and terrain sections, they just keep, uh, spawning in and then getting cleaned up. We've also got the vehicles and the vehicle following behind this car here. So you can see here, I'm just showing off some of the different emitters. So we've got emitters for the traffic, for the trees, for the roadside vegetation, and of course the landscape and the road. Yeah, there's 21 different types of trees and vegetation there. So it's there's a lot of different like tweaks for each of the vegetation types to kind of like give it a bit of a natural look. And here you can see the section of landscape that I put together. So I sculpted that as well as modeled the little road section that just kind of keeps repeating. So here you can see that landscape looks like with texture, and here's the road with texture. Um, so yeah, and then you can kind of see here the finished product again. Obviously, the full thing will have the two main characters. There will be a bit of a dialogue here, and maybe even a bit of a mini game. But yeah, that's the first thing I wanted to show off. So thanks for watching.